Hello students, I am Varsha Nikam from Pimpalgaon High School, Pimpalgaon Baswan. In last video, we have seen operations on like surds. And in these operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done on like surds. And there are some examples in practice set 2.3. Now today, we will see rationalization of surds. Here consider one example, root 3 multiply root 3. Here root 3 is a surd and the multiplication of these two surds is equal to root 9 is equal to 3. 3 is a rational number. And therefore the definition of the rationalization or the rationalizing factor is if the product of two surds is a rational number, then each surd is called a rationalizing factor of the other surd. Again consider one more example. If root 2 is a surd, then root 2 multiply root 2 is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. 2 is a rational number. 2 is rational number and therefore root 2 is a rationalizing factor of root 2. Again here suppose root 2 multiply root 8 is equal to, in root 2 multiply 8 is equal to root 16 and square root of 16 is 4. Again 4 is a rational number and therefore here root 8 is a rationalizing factor of root 2. Here root 2 is rationalizing factor of root 8 and vice versa. Root 8 is rationalizing factor of root 2. Similarly, here 8 root 2 is also a rationalizing factor of root 2 because 8 root 2 multiply root 2 is equal to 8 in root 2 to the 4 is equal to 8 multiply square root of 4 is 2 is equal to 16. 16 is a rational number and therefore 8 root 2 is also rationalizing factor of root 2. And therefore we can say that rationalizing factor of a given surd is not unique. Unique means one and only one. That is एक आणि एकच. म्हणजेच एखाद्या सर्डचे अनेक रॅशनलायझिंग फॅक्टर्स असतात. And we can make use of rationalizing factor of rationalize the denominator. Therefore here practice set 2.3. In this practice set question number 9, rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. First question 3 upon root 5. Rationalize the denominator. Here root 5 is a surd and we know that the product of two surd is a rational number. Therefore multiply root 5 upon root 5 is equal to 3 root 5 upon in root 5 multiply 5 is equal to 3 root 5 upon root of 25. 3 root 5 upon square root of 25 is 5. Here 5 is a rational number and therefore rationalize the denominator. Again one more example. Suppose in this question 6 upon 9 root 3. Rationalize the denominator. Here root 3 is a surd, therefore multiplied by root 3. Multiplied by root 3 is equal to 6 root 3 divided by 9 multiply 3 multiply 3 is equal to 6 root 3 divided by 9 multiply root of 9 is equal to 6 root 3. 9 multiply root 9 means 3 and therefore 6 root 3 upon 9 3 is 27. 27 is a rational number, therefore rationalize the denominator. In this way we see the rationalize the denominator. Next topic is binomial quadratic surd. Consider some examples. Root 5 plus root 3, root 5 minus root 3, 3 upon 4 plus root 5 and 3 upon 4 minus root 5. These are the binomial quadratic surd form. Because here there are the two terms, therefore it is called the binomial. Bi means two. Binomial quadratic surd. Then let us find the product of two binomial surds. Product of two binomial surds. Root 5 plus root 3 multiply root 5 minus root 3. Product of these two binomial surds. We know that the formula and its expansion a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here root 5 plus root 3 and root 5 minus root 3, that means the a plus b and a minus b. Therefore a square minus b square, write down here in this way, root 5 square minus root 3 square. Root 5 and its square, therefore here 5 minus root 3 and its square, therefore here the 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. In this way 2 is a rational number and hence these are the conjugate pairs of each other. This is the binomial quadratic surd. This is also binomial quadratic surd, and the product of these two binomial quadratic surds is rational number and therefore it is called the conjugate pairs of each other. Therefore it is called conjugate pair. Conjugate pairs of each other. Root 5 plus root 3 is the conjugate pair of root 5 minus root 3, and root 5 minus root 3 is a conjugate pair of root 5 plus root 3. Again here rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. First question is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. In this way, here the product of the two conjugate pair of the binomial quadratic surd is a rational number. Therefore, here the conjugate pair the conjugate pair of root 7 plus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2. That means numbers are the same, only sign is changed. The conjugate pair of root 7 plus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2 and multiplied by root 7 minus root 2. 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 multiplied root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 minus root 2 is equal to root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 plus root 2 in first bracket and root 7 minus root 2 in second bracket. Again here by using the formula and its expansion, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, and therefore here root 7 minus root 2 upon a square, that means the root square, root 7 square, minus b square means root 2 square is equal to root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 square is 7 minus root 2 square is 2 is equal to root 7 minus root 2 upon 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 is a rational number, therefore rationalize the denominator. Again consider one more example. Next example, 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Again its a conjugate pair is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Therefore multiplied by conjugate pair. Conjugate pair is 2 root 5 plus, here minus sign है, therefore here plus sign, 3 root 2. 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 multiply 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 is equal to multiplication in the numerator and multiplication in denominator. 3 multiply 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon, again here 2 root 5, 2 root 5, here sign minus, here plus, here 3 root 2, 3 root 2, that means the numbers are the same, only signs are different. Therefore by using a square minus b square, 2 root 5 its square minus 3 root 2 and its square. 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2 root 5 and its square, that means 2 square is 4, multiply root 5 square is 5 minus, here 3 square is 9, multiply root 2 square is 2 is equal to 3 multiply 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 4 5 is 20 minus 9 2 is 18 is equal to 3 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 20 minus 18 is equal to 2, and here 2 is a rational number, therefore rationalize the denominator. Again consider one more example. Root 5 minus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. Again the conjugate pair of here denominator मधलीच conjugate pair घ्यायची आहे. Therefore conjugate pair is root 5 minus root 3, because here the plus sign, therefore conjugate pair is root 5 minus root 3. Again multiplied here, root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3 multiply root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3. बघा मुलांना इथं कॉन्जुगेट पेअर शोधताना डिनोमिनेटरमध्ये असलेली कॉन्जुगेट पेअर शोधायची. कॉन्जुगेट पेअर मीन्स सेम नंबर, फक्त अपोजिट साईन घ्यायचं आणि त्याने न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनोमिनेटर दोघांना मल्टिप्लाइड करायचं. हियर रूट 5 मायनस रूट 3 दॅट मीन्स द सेम ब्रॅकेट. रूट 5 मायनस रूट 3 सेम ब्रॅकेट, देअरफॉर ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर अपॉन again here a plus b, a minus b, therefore a square means root 5 square minus b square means root 3 and its square is equal to, solve the bracket square. What is the formula of the bracket square? Suppose here a plus b bracket square and its expansion a square plus 2ab plus b square, but here minus sign, therefore a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. By using this expansion, a square means here root 5 square minus 2ab, that means minus 2 into root 5 multiply root 3, and plus b square means root 3 and its square upon, in the denominator, root 5 square means 5 minus root 3 square is 3 is equal to, root 5 square is 5 minus 2 into 5 3 is 15 plus root 3 square is 3 and 5 minus 3 is 2 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 minus 2 root 15 divided by 2. Again here simplification, we can आपण simplification इथं करू शकतो, because here 8 and 2, these two numbers are the even numbers, therefore 2 is common. Remaining terms, 2 4 is 8 minus 2 1 is 2 root 15 upon 2. Then here the multiplication, 2 multiply 4 minus root 15 upon 2, therefore cancel 2. 2 is cancelled, remaining term is 4 minus root 15. This is the answer. That means the rationalize the denominator. In this way we learn here rationalize the denominator and binomial quadratic surd and the conjugate pair of binomial quadratic surd. Then for more practice, we solve the practice set, complete practice set 2.3 at home. Okay, thank you.